Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine, good, very good. I am also fine. Okay, my dears, we have learned A to H. We have learned letter A to H. Okay, we have learned letter A to H. L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. We have learned letter A to L. Okay, again we will repeat A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. Now today what we will do some exercise. What we will do? We will do exercise. Okay. We have learned A to F. We have done some exercise. Okay. Now we have learned the formation of letter G to L. We have learned the formation of letter G to L. That means we have learned formation of letter A to L. A to L we have learned formation. Okay. Now today we will do some exercise. What we will do? Not that exercise. We will do exercise in a notebook. Okay. What we will do? We will do exercise from G to L in our notebook. Okay. Look here. Look here. First question. Look at the first question. First, all of you sit straight. Fold your hands. Yes, sit straight all of you and fold your hands like this. Very good. Very good, children. Okay, you have to sit like this only and listen to me, and you have to give reply of my question. Okay, you have to answer all the questions which I will ask from you. Okay, clear all of you? Clear? Okay, now fold your hands, sit properly and look at the board. Okay, all of you sit properly, fold your hands and look at the board. Okay, look at the first question. Look at the first question. Here you have to match letter with the picture. Match the letter with correct picture. Here letters are given. You have to match with correct picture. Okay. Now tell me, which letter is this? You know now which letter is this? This is G. Which letter is this? G. G for ice cream? No. G for joker? No. G for gun? Yes. So we will match G with gun. What we will do? We will match G with gun. Okay. Okay. Which letter is this? Next. Which letter is this? This is H. Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? H. Okay. H for ice cream? No. H for joker? No. H for gun? No. H for lamp? No. H for house? Yes. H for house. So what we will do? We will match H with house. What we will do? We will match H with house. Okay. We will match H with house. Okay. Now letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. I for ice cream. Yes. So what we will do? We will match I with ice cream. What we will do? We will match I with ice cream. G for gun. G for gun. H for house. I for ice cream. Now look at the next letter. Which letter is this? Look at this. Which letter is this? J. Very good. Which letter is this? J. J for ice cream? No. J for joker? Yes. J for joker. J for joker. Okay. J for joker. What we will do? We will match J with joker. We will match J with joker. G for gun. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. Okay, next. Which letter is this? Yes, tell me which letter is this? This is K. Which letter is this? K. K for ice cream? No. K for joker? No. K for gun? No. K for lamp? No. K for house? No. K for kite? Yes. We will match K with kite. What we will do? We will match K with kite. What we will do? We will match K with kite. Okay. G for, we will match G with gun. H with house. I with ice cream. J with joker. K with kite. And L for ice cream? No. L for joker? No. L for gun? No. L for lamp? Yes. L for lamp. So what we will do? We will match L with lamp. We will match L with lamp. Okay. What we have done? We have matched the letter with their correct picture. What we have done? We have matched the letter with correct picture. G with gun, H with house, I with ice cream, J with joker, K with kite, L with lamp. Okay. Now look here. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Yes, very good. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Okay, look here at the board. Fold your hands and look at the board. Now, color the correct letter. What you have to do? Color the correct letter. That means, look here. Which letter is correct? Which letter is written correct? We have to color that letter. Okay, which letter is this? J. Which letter is this? J. This letter is J? This both letters are same? No, this letter is wrong. This letter is wrong written. This letter is wrong written. So we will not color this letter. Okay, both the letters are same. This is J and this is J. Yes. So what we will do? We will color the letter. What we will do? We will color the letter. You have to color the letter with crayons. Okay? You have to color the letter with crayons only. Okay, okay. This letter is wrong. This letter is wrong written. So we will not color this letter. This letter is correct written. Yeah, this is written properly. J. This letter is correct. Okay. Now look here. This letter is J. This also J. No. This letter is, the formation of letter is wrong. So you will color this letter. You will color this letter. No. You will not color this letter. Okay. Then next. Which letter is this? K. Which letter is this? K. Which letter is this? K. So look here all of you. This letter is also K. Both are same. Both are same. No. Both are same. No. Okay. Look the next. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same K. No. So you will color this letter? No. You will not color this letter. Okay. Both letters are same. This is K and this is also K. Yes. So what we will do? We will color this letter. Okay. What we will do? We will color this letter. And color should not go out of the circle. Color should not go out of the circle. You have to color in circle only. Okay. Look here again. This is, which letter is this? K. This is K. So both are same? No. We will not color this. Okay. This is wrong. The formation of K is wrong. Okay, look here. Both are same. The formation of K is right? No, it is wrong. So we will not color this. Okay, the formation of K. Look here, this K and this K are same. Yes, so what we will do? We will color this letter. Both are same. The formation of letter K is right. So what we will do? We will color this letter. Okay, look at next. Look at next. Look at next. Okay, look at next. This is G. Which letter is this? G. So both are same. The formation of letter are same. G and G. Yes. So what we will do? We will color the letter. What we will do? We will color the letter. Okay, what we will do? We will color the letter. Okay, understand? Understand, my dear? Yes, this both G are same. The formation of G is correct. So what we will do? We will color this letter. Okay, next. Both are same. Both are same. No. The formation of G is wrong. The formation of G is wrong. It is not correct. The formation of G is not correct. So what we will do? We will not color it. What we will do? We will not color it. Okay, look at next. Look at next. Both are same. The formation of G is same. Yes or not? No. The formation of G is not same. So we will color it. No, we will not color it. Both are different. The formation of G is not correct. So we will not color it. Understand? Okay. Have you understand this? First we have to match the letter with picture. Then we have to color the correct letter. The letter which is correct, we have to color it. Okay. Next, look here, all of you. Next, look here. Circle the letter L. What we have to do? Here L is made. Look here. L is written here, and inside L some more letters are written. Okay, L is written here, and inside the L letters are written there. We have to find letter L. What we have to find? We have to find letter L, and then we have to circle it. Okay, what we have to do? We have to find letter L in this, and then we have to circle it. Okay, look here. This is letter L. This is letter L. No. This is C. Okay. This is letter L. No. This is D. This is letter L. Yes. This is letter L. Tell me. Yes. So what you will do? You will circle it. What you will do? You will circle it. Okay. Next. This is letter L. No. This is J. This is letter L. No. This is letter K. This is letter K. Okay. You circle it. No. This is letter L. No. This is G. This is letter L. No. This is letter G. Okay. This is letter L. Yes. This is letter L. Yes. So what you will do? You will circle it. What you will do? You will circle it. Okay. This is letter L. No. This is D. This is letter L. No. This is E. This is letter L. Yes. So what you will do? You will circle it. Okay. This is letter L. So what you will do? You will circle it. This is letter L. No. This is L. This is letter F. This is letter L. No. This is letter F. Okay. What we have done? We have circled the letter L. What we have done? We have circled the letter L. This is L. Which letter is this? L. And in L also I have written letters. What I have written? Letters. So we have to find letter L, and then we have to circle it. Okay. Okay. Today what we have done? What we have done? We have matched the letter with the correct picture. What we have done? We have matched the letter with correct picture. G with gun, H with house, I with ice cream, J with joker, K with kite, L with lamp. Okay. And in next, color the correct letter. The letter with the formation of letter which is correct, we have to color it. The formation of letter which is correct, we have to color it. Look here. Which letter is this? J. So this is J. Correct formation? No. This look at this J. It is correct formation. Yes. So what we will do? We will correct it. This is same? No. Okay, look, which letter is this? K. So both are same? No. This is same? Yes. So what we will do? We will color it. Okay, both the letters are same? G. This is G. Yes. So what we will do? Color. This both are same? No. So what we will do? We will not color it. Okay. And here you have to circle the letter L. Circle the letter L. So where is letter L. You find it and circle it. You have to find letter L and circle it. Okay. This three, match, color and circle, you have to do in your notebook. Okay, this is your classwork. You have to do in your English notebook. Which lecture is this? English. So you have to do this in your English notebook with help of your parents. Okay, with help of your parents, you have to do this in your English notebook. So please take a screenshot of this. Taken? You have taken the screenshot? Parents has taken the screenshot? Okay. So please, with the help of your parents, do in your notebook and send to me. Okay. Your work, daily work which I am giving to you, you have to send to me. Daily you have to send to me. Okay? Yes or not? You will send the homework now to me? Okay. Good. Bye. Have a nice day and take care.